Welcome to the free YouTube training. Many creators struggle to maintain their YouTube channels, often burning out or spending excessively on freelancers. AI is revolutionizing this space, offering untapped potential for creators. The traditional YouTube workflow is time-consuming and often unrewarding. From research to publishing, creators invest hours with no guaranteed return. AI offers solutions at every stage of the YouTube creation process, from ideation to thumbnails, making the workflow more efficient and effective. AI can analyze trends and generate video ideas quickly, eliminating guesswork and identifying content gaps in your niche. AI reduces scripting time significantly by providing structured drafts, allowing creators to focus on personalizing their content. AI tools enhance on-camera presence and enable faceless channels, offering professional quality without the need for expensive equipment. AI handles editing and thumbnail creation, automating tedious tasks, and enhancing visual appeal with minimal effort. AI can significantly improve content quality and audience growth, transforming a struggling channel into a thriving one. A structured 90-day plan using AI can set your channel on the path to success, with clear weekly goals and milestones. AI makes YouTube accessible to everyone, removing barriers and enabling creators to start their channels with minimal investment and no special skills. This is how I write every YouTube script now, with a tool called TubeMagic. It's an AI script writer built on frameworks real creators use: viral hooks, value loops, tension and pacing, payoff structuring, intro and outro frameworks, strategic ordering, emotional waves, and algorithm optimization. You can even feed it a reference video. Just paste the link, and TubeMagic studies that video's structure when generating your script. Let me show you an example of how to use TubeMagic. We're making a travel video about Canada. Type in the title, pick a word count, hit generate. And here's the hook it gave me. What if I told you one country holds some of the most jaw-dropping landscapes, mysterious places, and life-changing experiences on this entire planet? That's a strong opener. Curiosity gap, big promise, no wasted words. Here's exactly how I make YouTube videos without ever touching a camera or a mic. This is VidAI, the tool I use for every video I put out. It's genuinely the best AI video generator I've found. Here's the interface. You pick shorts or long form, depending on what you're making. Then it's 3 steps. Paste in your script, choose an AI voice, and hit generate. That's it. To show you what it can actually do, here's a travel video I made with it, about the wonders of Earth.
Imagine standing on the edge of a cliff where the wind carries the scent of ancient salt and the sound of waves hitting the rocks below feels like the heartbeat of the planet itself. We live on a sphere that is constantly changing, a blue marble spinning through the void, and yet we often forget how truly miraculous our home is. Today we are going on a journey that spans every continent to look at the wonders that define Earth in 2026. This is not just a travel guide. This is an exploration of the raw power and the delicate beauty that makes our world a masterpiece of cosmic coincidence and geological persistence. Think about the last time you truly felt small. Not small in a way that makes you feel insignificant, but small in a way that makes you feel connected to something massive and eternal. That is the feeling we are chasing today.
Here's how I make thumbnails that actually get clicks. I use a tool called Tailsy. It's the best AI thumbnail generator I've found. Same idea as VidAI. You type in your video title and hit generate. Here are some of the thumbnails I made using it. This one's my favorite. The Wonders of Albania. If you want to try these tools yourself, the links are in the description below. Go check them out.